equation is too much. You don't be giving somebody mathematics. I don't even know if these guys are doing something. I can't solve this equation now. John Bosco, why are you sleeping this afternoon time? You are sleeping.
Okay.
See, how's it, Daddy? I am not good though. See this kind mathematics where teacher they give person nowadays. The thing, my head is hurting.
What?
No, you don't need water. I don't need water. Just solve this equation. See the equation. Frac. Call her now, frac. Put it there. A bit tractor, a bit frac.
Factorize this equation.
Yeah.
3x plus 2y minus 4x.
Yes.
Equals to what? Factorize this equation. Okay. I am an actor and not a teacher. What I understand is action and cut. So, not problem and headache. If you want to bring anything to me, bring anything about a film. I will art it for you. Movie, I will art any kind of arting. Bring any type of, but you see this problem, don't bring it to me again.
John Bosco.
I
think say if I don't meet you now, this frac, call her now frac, you go solve the equation.
How can I?
Now you know this trouble. This your waiting day this place.
How can I solve problem? Am I a problem solver? See,
simple equation you know to solve.
Is this same thing that chased me away from the school and you're bringing it to me back? How can I run away from demon? My friend will bring the demon back to me. How can you remind me of my ex-girlfriend?
Which one is ex-girlfriend here?
Are you not saying ex here?
Ex? There's nothing in this head. So you don't even have anything in this head. So you simple arithmetic, you cannot solve it.
If it is
simple arithmetic,
if it is simple, why wouldn't I solve it?
Because I don't know it.
And it's me who knows it. How can you be bringing problem to me? Stop. Okay, I don't like it. Don't bring problem to me again. Bring something that I know very well. Anything, arting, movie, film, I'll art it anyhow you want it.
So who will solve this thing for us?
I don't know. Take it back to your teacher. What I will advise you, if this will give you headache before you run mad, leave from school. Come and join me. Let us start home and be enjoying our life.
It's like I have something.
Let's go and take it.
Let's go and eat it out. Okay, something there.